Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Accordingly, the said provision was notified in the Gazette of India dated 9/6/2011, declaring that the government appointed 15/6/2011 as the date for giving effect to Section 30 of the Advocates Act 1961. In view of the notification, as aforesaid, Section 30 of the Advocates Act 1961 has been brought into force from 15/6/2011, and as it stands, so all the lawyers have acquired a right to practice before all courts, tribunals, and such other forum of India as a matter of right, which provision is having all the traits and effect of a subsequent legislation to override the restrictive covenants as contained in Section 13 of the Family Courts Act. This being the position, the stipulation contained in Section 13 of the Family Courts Act 1984 necessitating prior sanction of the said court has virtually become redundant. In the above circumstances, this court declares that it is open for a litigant to pursue the cause of action before the family court, engaging any lawyer of his choice, and such lawyer is entitled to present the matter on filing the wakalat as a matter of right. Exhibit P1 issued by the third respondent is set aside. The writ petition is allowed. No cost. The registry is directed to forward a copy of this judgment to all the family courts in Kerala. Hence, Section 13 of the Family Courts Act 1984 is violative of Article 19(1)g read with Section 30 of the Advocates Act and is not saved by Article 19(6) of the Constitution of India. That the petitioner has no other alternate, adequate, and equally efficacious remedy except to approach this honorable court by way of this writ petition in public interest for his grievances under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. That all the other grounds, if any, will be urged at the time of hearing of this writ petition with the prior permission of his honorable court. It is therefore most respectfully prayed that your lordships may graciously be pleased to accept and allow this writ PIL petition and issue a writ of certiorari or any other appropriate writ, order, or directions of like nature to direct and declare that Section 13 of the Family Courts Act 1984 is unconstitutional on account of being violative of Article 19(1)g and not saved under Article 19(6) of the Constitution of India. Any other order or direction which your lordship may deem just and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case may also kindly be passed in favor of the public at large and in the interest of justice. During the pendency of this petition, the petitioner prays for the issuance of an interim order through an appropriate ad interim writ to stay the operation of Section 13 of the Family Courts Act 1984 on account of it being violative of fundamental freedom guaranteed under Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution of India and Section 30 of Advocates Act. Stop para. The humble applicant most humbly and respectfully submits this stay application as under: that the applicant has filed the accompanying writ petition in public interest along with this stay application before this honorable court to challenge the constitutionality of Section 13 of the Family Courts Act 1984. Stop. From the facts and material on record, a strong prima facie case is made out and in favor of the petitioner, and he is very hopeful of success in the same. Stop. That for the sake of brevity and to avoid prolixity and repetition, the facts and ground urged in the accompanying writ petition may be treated as part and parcel of this stay application. Stop. That looking to the facts and circumstances of the case during the pendency of the accompanying writ petition, the operation of Section 13 of the Family Courts Act 1984 may kindly be stayed in the interest of justice. It is therefore most humbly and respectfully prayed that this honorable court may, in the facts and circumstances mentioned above, be pleased to allow this stay application, and during the pendency of the accompanying writ petition, the operation of Section 13 of the Family Courts Act 1984 may kindly be stayed in the interest of justice. Stop. Thank you.